is Headway app any good? So here's the Headway app, which is like basically about daily book summaries. It's getting a lot of traction. As you can see, it's getting very high in the top charts. And why is that? Yes, because people don't have time, to read big books anymore. Like the attention span is very short, as you can see on TikTok. People can't even watch videos more than 1 minute. So it's like, and like, let's just not talk about the books. So the idea is super smart here, that you can just instead of reading books, you can see summarized things and just summaries of these books, and or read or listen to them. And every day there is a free daily summary, so that's why this app is going viral. So each day you can just open up this app. You don't need to upgrade to create an account. You don't even need to, yeah, it's actually $50 per year, and then you have unlimited books, which is quite a good deal. But then you can just go and see some free summary, and then you can just either listen to it or read to it, and then just have an idea what can be inside of that book, just in a quick summary, so you're not, uh, yeah, uh, it will take you just 13 minutes to listen to it, or you can just see like 7 key points or 10 insight, or just read it. And like, yeah, 10 minutes instead of spending like 2 days to read this, or like 1 week, just depending on your reading style. So yeah, and then like there are all these kind of books you just want to read, but you just never get time to do it. And then it's like, okay, I just want to have an idea, like to have like what's inside of it. And then if I like this book from this short summary, okay, I can just read it in full. So that's basically the idea of the app. And then there is like your daily goals and achievements. And then also this app offers like growth challenges, and then you track your goals. Originally, this app was about like self growth, like mostly like motivational app to all of that. But then they started to include summaries of the books, and this part really has taken off. And now they're mostly like Amazon for books, but just like short summaries of the books. And this is really cool idea. This is basically, you don't have time, like very often you are at work or doing some other stuff, like to read all these books. It becomes more like a privilege, and attention span is just too short, as I said. So it's very cool idea, I think. Let's see how it develops. But yeah, try it out. However, I just tried like one book today, and I think the summary is a bit too short, I would say. So, like, the summary is really like 10 minutes. I would really like if they included the summary, which is more like 30 minutes or 1 hour summary, where you at least have a bit more paragraphs and all of that. So, in this book, like Shudok, you just have like 7 points and just like 7 sentences. So, I think it's like too short, actually. But maybe it's not. Like, maybe, teenagers, they don't even have time for that, for 7 sentences. But yeah, I think there should be some also like middle option between like really like 10 sentences and maybe a few more paragraphs, and then like the whole book. But anyhow, other than that, it's a great app, and you have one free daily summary per day, so try it out.